Yo mga idol, meron pa tayong nakitang welcome center dito sa South Dakota. And ang ganda mga idol, scenic view man. Ang ganda. Let's check it out. Ang ganda mga idol oh. That river is Missouri River. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano niya oh. Pero pataas mga idol, pataas yan oh. Yan, doon tayo galing sa kabila, papunta roon, I-90 West. Oh my God, naganda rito, grabe. Hindi ka naman tracker, ang liliit oh. Tara, saan tayo? Grabe. Sino kaya to? Lupit eh no? Tingnan natin kung maikta natin dito. Missouri River. Ba, may trail. Eh no? Oo nga, may trail. Lewis and Clark Memorial Bridge at Chamberlain. Dalawa yung bridge nyo. Balik tayo doon sa statue. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kanyang symbolize or meaning. Taranta ako Hindi ko alam, papasok ako sa loob ng facility o pumunta muna ako sa statue na yun. Ganda eh. Parang crush nila dito. Road rescue. Lambot. Ayun oh. Tignan natin sa ang ganda ba. Maganda yung statue, maganda. I think it's a girl. Beware of poisonous snakes. Oh wow, may snakes pala rito. Missouri River. Tiyo. Reels. Uy, ano na eh. Ang ganda, Vic. Masarap umupo dito. Ang hangin. Ha? Tayo muna tayo rito. Gagabihin tayo sa Mount Rushmore. Gagabihin tayo.
Saka pumasok ko.
Yeah, may trail ba? Gusto mong lakarin? Okay. National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. Missouri River Bridges of South Dakota, completed 1927, commemorated 1995. So, dignity of earth and sky, standing at a crossroad, dignity echoes the interactions of earth, sky, and people. She brings to light the beauty and promise of the indigenous peoples and culture that still thrive on this land. Okay. My intent is to have the sculpture stand as an enduring symbol of our shared belief that all here are sacred and in sacred places. A gift to the people of South Dakota from the Norm and Annabelle McKee family. Sculptor and South Dakota artist Lorette Dale Cloud Lampier. Dignity of Earth and Sky. I think this will be a one of the longest video for a welcome center that I will be experiencing. I know. But hey, look at the one the design on the back.